Hello everybody, Ben here, and today we're going to be checking out a more affordable guitar. This is a Washburn Sonamaster, very similar to a Strat. This has the 3 single coils in it with volume and tone and a 5-way switch here. Now the first thing I noticed when I picked this thing up is the fret ends. I don't know if it's just this guitar or if it's across the board how they make them, but the fret ends feel really good on this. Typically on a cheaper guitar you can expect the fret ends to need a little work, but these feel pretty good, so good job Washburn. But also in general the neck just feels really good. The shape, it's a C-shaped neck, so very common of like Strat style guitar. It's a very lightweight guitar too, it's not super heavy, isn't gonna burden your shoulder too much. I'm just gonna go ahead and go through the pickups real quick so you can hear how they sustain. So there you go, just a quick little sound demo. If you liked it, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already. Also, go check out our video from last week where I mentioned something about a high school guitar contest. And one more thing, what would you like to see on this channel? What kind of demos would be more interesting to you? Go ahead and put it down in the comments and we will check those out. If you're ever in the area, come check us out in Old Town Manassas. Have a good one.